Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you WhatsApp text management SaaS. This is admin panel. You can see dashboard, so orders, 13 days, sales volume, number of returns, then register, view, total order, sale view, then another option, restaurant, then financial, so order total, payment fee, need, then process fee, delivery income, and mm, profit, order, then app, categories, then add categories, then system, site setting, landing page, then plans, pricing plans, then pages, then add pages, then support, FAQ, web project docs, then mobile app docs, ticket support, version, admin profile, customize, change password. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.